In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get more matches on Badoo, which in this case we will optimize your profile as well as settings. You can see right here onto this particular article that we will get more matches on dating apps such as Badoo if you have this. First, if you have a variety of pictures, it's standard practice to have at least 3 pictures of yourself on your profile. It gives people to know you using this. So one picture only will clearly shows your face and details so people can tell what you look like. You can also have one of your friends or an event. So for this case, you need to actually add some more pictures if needed. So make sure to don't have a shirtless pic on your dating profile. While other people like that, other people don't also like that. So to maximize your matches, put the shirt on and smile. Third, experiment with your picture. It's good to ask for a friend about their input on the picture that you will use for your dating app. You should also have an interesting bio on your dating profile. If you have something blunt like any questions, just ask. It might not be giving matches. So give a few words about you. You also need to be creative with your opening line. So don't just say hey or hello. So choose other opening lines for that. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.